What the heck is Lucid hiding? On our recent road trip, we had a chance to check out Lucid Motors in the gracious company of Bear from Bear's Workshop. We didn't get close in this part of the video, but the camera was still rolling. If you want to see the part where we got way up in there, right in their face, got an exclusive interview, yeah, that's linked right here. Well, there was a whole segment we shot before we met with that super loco landscaper, and, you know, since it'd be a shame to waste it, well, here you go. Boy, it's a shame. All right?
It's going to be noisy out here.
It's going to be super noisy, but it can also just be B-roll as needed of me talking while I do voiceover. You know what I could do? Is I could go. We're here at the Lucid Factory, and then I can dub it later. So yeah.
There's a mask mandate on this corner.
There's a mask mandate right here. Because I am a danger, not just to myself and others, but just generally. So yeah, this is the Lucid Factory. And you may be wondering if you're dreaming, but yeah, I don't know. Thing is, I've got some problems with Lucid, and it's their lack of transparency. It's the fact that, oh yeah, I should mention, I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla weekend. Yeah. And guess who's here? It's Bear from Bear's Workshop.
Hey guys.
How fun is that? What is this, a crossover episode? So, I have a problem with Lucid. It's not their car, it's beautiful. It's not the fact that it doesn't exist. I mean, that is a problem, but that's something you can fix. My problem is the lack of transparency. I did reach out to them to see about getting someone to talk to, or something to see, or going inside, or being permitted to step on property, and I didn't hear back. Now, a lot of you may think that I despise the good folks at Nikola. I do not. That's better. I do not hate them. I do not even dislike them. I have my my doubts about them. I have my concerns. Bear, of course, covers Nikola.
You lowered the camera, so I think I'm going to be like...
Oh, yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, he can crouch. But Nikola at least had the decency to write me back. When I asked them, may I see the factory, I heard back from someone, it might have been Stephanie, I don't recall, someone saying, not something we're doing at this time, we'll let you know in the future. That is how you deal with folks. This, they don't even let people look at the place. And I mean, like at all, like from the air. Like they won't allow drones over the property, which they have no right to do. They have no legal ability to restrict the airspace over their factory. They don't own the air. God owns the air. That's God's air. You can't control it. More accurately, it's the government's air. And they say you can do whatever you want with it, except keep people out of it. But what are they hiding? It's perfectly flat. There's no forest obstructing my view. There's no hills. I can see everything without going there. All they're doing is throwing up red flags for no reason. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I don't know what else to say.
Well, maybe we're going to get lucky because, sometimes, and we've been told we've just missed them. Sometimes the Lucid cars that are out there, the prototypes, will come in through this road and pull in over there.
Wow.
So definitely want to keep recording. If I scream, Riley, because I want him to come back. And I haven't seen one yet.
But you've heard.
I've heard. I had security tell me, oh, too bad you weren't here a half hour ago. So you never know when they come rolling by. They're pulling in there. And then they put them in the factory and they hide them from everybody.
Right. Wouldn't you? No. Oh, yeah, that's right.
No, I wouldn't.
That's right. I'd hide it from the weather, but not from people. So apparently, I don't know how well that came through. They test them out on these roads, and sometimes, just sometimes, They drive right by here.
That's security behind us.
Oh, we got security coming?
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
He's not coming
good.
over here yet. Not yet.
Good. Well, security doing their job, keeping things secure.
I could use some securing.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm feeling very insecure myself, but those are issues that I get just from reading the comments. Okay. Well, it looks like security is actually coming this direction. Maybe. Maybe they're lonely. Maybe they're feeling lonely and they'd like some company. But we shall see. But I'm going to definitely make a big show. Dom, will you stand by the camera like you're my cameraman?
Yeah.
Make a big show of doing the thing that I'm doing. Hello, security.
They gave us a hand wave when they passed.
Oh, nice. Nice. So, just going to kind of fill some time here. Oh. Well, good. The good news is they are not in the mood to harass my 9,000 subscribers. The good news is by the time this video comes out, I'll have more than that.
So, Brian, security did stop. They have stopped on numerous visits. Literally, I think our first 8 or 9.
The cap so it doesn't. Yeah.
Our first 8 or 9 visits, they had stopped. They missed one, and then we posted something about them distracting us while we're flying. And when you come talk to a pilot while it's flying, it's not safe. Since that video was put out, they've no longer stopped. So I think now they're just doing drive-bys like they did. They gave us a little wave when they passed, making sure it's us. But because you're with me, they're not going to stop. But maybe we'll put you in the front in a little bit and just have you take some pictures from the front and see if that bothers them.
See if that bothers them. The job of a good security guard is to make your presence known and not interfere at all in any way.
Don't hogtie people unless there's a really good reason.
Yeah.
I tell that to my wife once.
Yeah. So we'll go see if we can get some footage up in front. Well, yeah, we'll do that. I'll save my sign off for then. Did I? Oh, U.S. Customs and Border Protection warning.
No, this is odd.
Oh.
Oh, they're going with this is a foreign trade zone.
Really?
That is
A loophole?
it might be a loophole. When I was talking to the police officer, he was saying free trade zone, but it's foreign trade zone, and they're trying to claim that it is. Foreign trade zone. You see that, Riley? Yeah. That's what Officer Price was saying. Free trade zone. He was trying to say foreign trade zone.
Wild.
Differences. Well, they're trying to claim some sort of status under
Whoever malicious.
So that was it. That was the whole video. Let me know what I missed or misunderstood. And as always, my friends, stay tuned, stay juicy, and I simply cannot wait to hear from you clever robots on the Flippity Flop. And by the way, I think I'm going to start making much older, like a month or two older, Patreon exclusives available kind of on the main channel as hidden features, like on a playlist where you have to actually seek it out to find it, but you can find it. So, yeah, there you go.